Hello guys, welcome to my video. So today we're gonna playing a game. So anyways guys, if you want video so channel, subscribe right now. So anyways guys, if you want video so channel, subscribe right now. So I'm going to play the game. Bro, I can't even just beat it. Bro. Only I should just beat it for a very long time. So anyways guys, I just played the tower for a long time. So anyways guys, if you want video so channel, subscribe right now. Okay, so anyways. Okay, so I'm going to play the game, right? I think I'm not gonna die, right? I think this one's hard, so this medium. I think it's gonna be first. I think I'm about to first, guys. I'm a first winner. I'm a first winner. Okay. Yes.
Get back to me.
Oh, this player, huh?
You won't get found because you might not know.
Oh my God, guys. Oh my God. Me, I'm going to win.
I'm taking the air.
Who's player, guys?
How about me?
Okay. Headless. Oh, stop it, stop it, stop it. Oh my God. Oh my God, I'm about to die.
No.
Do not die. Do not die. Me first, huh?
Bye.
Bruh. I think it's hard, guys. That is the hardest game. Bruh, I think it's hard. Look at him. Guys, look at him. Algerian, 105. Look at him. Look. But shake. Come on, guys. Romax win, guys. Okay, let me just add friend you, guys. I'm going to add friend Adi, guys. Right? So, Adi. Can I add friend you? Yes. Can I,
Oh no, the bicycle.
where are you?
Oh no.
What is your name again?
You can see me there. Come here.
Where?
Give me. A person is
Where?
behind that wall. And yet he's still blind. Yeah, I literally saw someone walking here. And 1 minute.
Okay, done. I'll join you.
Thank you.
This is me. Oh, no. Thank you, Adi. Adi. I'm going to just play that game, guys. This one, this easy, right? I know how to easy. I'm now going to keep easy, right, guys? I think I like this game. I think I like this game, right? Me first. Oh my God, guys, I'm about to die. Okay, I have my permission to think. So I should just climb in a ladder, I think it's, but this the color. This the color tower. And executed tower, guys. Let me know in comments, right, guys? I should just win first. No. Oh wait, Adi join me.
35 minutes.
Oo. Me first, huh? Me first. I said, okay, my Adi join me, guys. My cousin join me because I like this. And also, let me know in comments. I just subscribe to her. So otherwise, I'm going to just keep on just doing that. And also, I can just beat it for now on. No reason. So let me know in comments. That is my favorite game. Okay, that's easy. I like this easy. I should just win now, guys, right? So anyways, I like this game. So I'm going to just win. Okay. What? Also, let me know in comments. I just subscribe. I also subscribe for her because she's so good. And also, I can't even do this. How? Adi, hi. Hi, Adi. Adi. See, Adi. Hi, Adi.
I will show you where I hid.
Come on, Adi.
And I'll get the
Come on, Adi. We should be able to do this. Come on, Adi. You can do it. Come on, you can do it. I'll train you. Come on. I'm going to train Adi, guys. I'm going to train Adi. Come on, guys. Come on. Come on. Nice. Come on. Come on, Adi. Adi, come on. Come on, you're almost there. So do not fall like this. How can I do it? Also, let me know in comments, right? So otherwise, this is the easy game. Come on, Adi. You can do it, guys. You can do it. Oh my God, I'm about to fall. Okay, this is the hardest game, guys. I can't even do it, but anyways, okay. Come on.
Yeah, I literally saw someone.
Come on. Come on, Adi. Come on, Adi.
Yo, come here.
Nice avatar. Okay.
Yo, come here.
Come on, Adi. I'm going to train you. Come on. Shake my butt. Adi. Adi.
That big right there. Big
Come on.
one. Follow me.
Ow, come on. Do like this.
Why? What are you running? What?
Try like this. Come on. Do like this. Come on. Come on, do like this. Do like this. Adi. No. Come on. Hey, this annoying guy. And this one. You're not annoying. Why? How? Adi. You are ugly and silly. No! I swear! Okay, do not fall. I'm going to choose it right. I'm going to choose this. And also, where is this sparkle? I just did and I'm blind. Oh my god, I'm blind. Guys, I'm blind. Oh my god. How? Oh. How? Easy peasy, ah. Okay, let me same. So far. Huh? Hey, oh, you. Oh my god. Come on, guys. We're almost there. We're almost there. Oh my god. Oh my god, I win. That's good. I think I like it. Yes, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. Wow. I think I like this. I think it's easy, right? I think it's easy to just beat it, guys, right? I think it's easy. I can do this. I can do it. I can do it, guys. I can now do it because in real life I can do it. No, I can't. I'm going to so I'm going to beat it something very special, guys. Look at the guard. Okay, there's the hardest game, guys. I think the hardest game will be better, guys. Better than C. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, I'm about to win. Oh my god, I'm about to win, guys. I'm about to win. With my butt. With my eyes. My butt. No. Hurry. No. No. Look at you. She's so silly. Oi. She's so silly. That she can't even beat. So hard. Okay, let me know in comments what this one. And also, let me know in the comments. Okay, I'm at the heart, guys. Look at her, she's so annoying. I win. Come on, guys, we're almost done, guys. We're almost done to the top, guys. We're almost. How can I do it? Maybe just jump like this. Oh, I did it. Oh my god, I'm so close. Oh my god, I did it. Yeah. Okay, Robert, join me. Yeah. Come on, join me, baby. Or the baby, I think. Oh my god. No. What did I just do? How? What the? I'm at a different server. What the Sigma? What the heck? What the Sigma? Oh my god, stop it. In the different world, I think. I don't know. So let me know in the comments. Okay. Okay. Hui, what's this? Check my butt. What happened? I just wanted to hold. Shake my butt. Shake my butt. Shake my butt. Hey you. You can't even beat me, please. Beat you, huh? Well, I'm going to beat you, huh? Beat my shit. You, huh? I'm trying my best to beat it. Okay, I'm going to beat you, huh? Okay. Yeah, the giant tablet, I think. So let me know in comments. Wow. I am the coolest game. Check my ass. Check my ass. Come on, guys. We're almost win. We're going to win, guys. We're almost win. So this tower. But I swear. I swear there's a chat tower. Chat tower, I think. Oh, let me know in the comments. Oi! What? What the thing? Ouch. 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 Can I can go?
What?
It's not even working. I think it's not even working, guys. Oh my god, I'm about to win. Ouch! Ouch. I am so close. I am beating now. I am beating after 2 hours. GK. IDK. No, IDK, guys. IDK. Come on. Come on. Come on, guys. I wanna win. No! Can you just kill again? Oh! Come on, guys. But missed the jump. Oh my god. Yes, I win. We made it. Oi, you're trying me. You're trying to cheat me. Who cheat on me? Oh heck. Cheat. Oi. Oh no, this one's hard. This one's hard. Oh no, it's so hard. No, it's easy. Whoop. Oh my god, I'm about to win, guys. I'm tired. She. Do not fall. You're beautiful. Beautiful. Why do I not fall? Why do I not jump, guys? Okay. Beautiful. I can't do it, so I'm going to do it myself. No choice. Just I'm going to just do. Huh? What? You trying me? You're trying me to do this, huh? Oh my god! Oh my god, I'm a pro. How can I do it? Oh my god. I can do it. Whatever I want, guys. I can do it whatever I want. I know. Wow. Oh, decay. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. No. This one's hard, so I'm going to not fall. No, this one's hard. So no. No! Oi! Yes, I'm about to win. I know. Give me a friend. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah. What the heck? Stop a spawn. Yes, I win. I win, guys. At the pro tower, guys. At the pro tower. My god! Wait, can I reset? What happens? Then reset and what happens? Come on. Yes! Oh my god, it's easy. I should not spawn and I just respawn. That's amazing. Oh my god. That's amazing, guys. I think every time I just unfriend it, because I don't know. I just want to unfriend them. I so don't like this thing, but anyways, I'm going to eat it for now in dinner. So anyways, ouch. Oh no, this one's hard. Ah! Ouch! My body parts. So I'll go back, guys.